The world is changing, and so are we. The world has evolved from hunter-gatherers to civilized human beings, but our minds have not left the selfishness which we have it in us from our birth. Want to know what I am talking about? Stick with me until the end. I am talking about the climate change, and this is the first video of 10 video series or maybe 11 video series in which we deeply investigate the reasons and the consequences of climate change. Whole motive of this series is to aware the people who do not know what is climate change. Every day there is no any good news about the climate change, and there will be no any good news also if we do not take preventive measures towards climate change. So that is why I am bringing the climate change series. Let me reveal the sequence of the videos which will be uploaded. Number 1, plastic pollution. Number 2, air, water, land pollutions. Number 3, global warming and greenhouse effect. Number 4, overpopulation and their never-ending demands. Number 5, deforestation. Number 6, food shortage. Number 7, the solutions to the climate change part 1. Number 8, the solutions to the climate change part 2. Number 9, the current progress in fighting climate change. Number 10, final thoughts and the summary. So the data is in front of you. More than 50% of us do not even consider climate change as a major problem, and from which the mankind has been facing the problems. So our responsibility is to share this video to the people who say, haha, I told you climate change is a myth. Climate change. Interesting. Climate change, as the name suggests, it is a gradual change of climate over the long period of time. It is a gradual shift of the weather condition of the world in long term, and by long term I mean decades. And this is not a new phenomenon. It has been happening since the formation of our earth, and it is very essential for our evolution also. So why are all the people saying climate change is harmful? What is the problem? Glad you asked that. See, climate change at a very low rate does not harm us, and it should happen for us to survive in this world. But when the speed in which the climate change is happening changes very rapidly, it creates problem. And climate change is happening every year, that too in alarming rates. You can see throughout the mankind's history, the world's temperature has been constant. Not constant, but more or less the same. But when the industrial revolution in 18th century or 19th century, when the industrial revolution started, the global temperature rose rapidly. Climate change includes both the global warming done by humans by emitting greenhouse gases and by nature itself also. So let us see some effects of climate change, and I will go deeply upon these topics in upcoming videos. Number 1. In the year 2018, the world's average temperature has raised to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Yes, it may look a very little, but see, experts say that the 1.5 degree mark had to reach in 2100 or 2090. It has reached in 2018. Now you can understand the situation, right? Number 2. The top 20 warmest years of our human history has been in past 22 years. Number 3. More than 1 million species of animals, birds, reptiles, etc. are getting endangered, and already some have got extincted. Number 4. Every year 800,000 hectares of mangroves is lost to sea level rise. Number 5. Every year $140 billion worth of damage is caused by climate change, and it is going to increase and increase only if we do not take some steps to prevent it. Number 6. Glaciers or ice caps contains the world's 62% of the fresh water reserves. They cover up to 10% of the Earth's land, and they are melting and cause sea level rise. And again, due to which countries like Maldives and other island countries are in very high risk. And not to mention, we are losing that 62% of the world's freshwater reserves. So these were some harsh, devastating facts. Be with me by subscribing to the channel for more upcoming videos about the same topics every Wisdom Wednesday. And if you want me to make the comparison between different countries about climate change, like what steps they have taken, what prevention methods they have taken, and the CO2 emissions, etc., do let me know in the comments. I have a plan to do this, but this does not account as awareness, so I did not include in this series. If you're liking the video, you are telling YouTube that the video is worth sharing. If you're subscribing to the channel, you are supporting me and encouraging me to make more of these kind videos. And if you're sharing this video, you are awareing the people. And by one click, you can aware thousands, not thousand, millions of people. That 50% awareness can reach to 100% awareness also if you share this video. So you're still there. Okay, bonus fact for you. There is more carbon in our atmosphere than ever before in 800,000 years. Nearly 422 particles per million. You can see in this graph. So that's it from my side. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, I know you did it, right? You did not? Do it. Thank you for watching. See you next Wisdom Wednesday. I'll be waiting for you.